Here at American Star, the cleaning of our motor coach fleet has always been a top priority. However, during the COVID-19 pandemic, our professional team have adopted additional procedures to ensure the health and safety while traveling on any American Star vehicle. These procedures include supplying hand sanitizer units at the front and back of each motor coach. We hand wipe every hard surface using CDC-approved sprays and wipes, along with fogging the interior of each coach after every trip to ensure a deep and effective clean of all surfaces in the coach. Sanitized buses are not returned to service until 12 hours have elapsed after treatment. All American Star drivers are provided with protective masks and latex gloves, with additional clean masks that are available for passengers that did not bring their own. We've outfitted our motor coach's cabin air filter systems with surgical-grade MERV 13 type filters. Here at American Star, safety is our #1 priority. We've proven that over our last 30 years of service, and we will continue to work vigorously to keep you safe while traveling with us by cleaning, encouraging social distancing, and requiring face masks. For more information, please visit us at www.americanstartours.com.